Don't Champion Park. I know that she has been such an instrumental part of supporting this entire endeavor, and for that we're so grateful.
Yes, true. A fisherman is a big fisherman, and he come from pull up and they do diving, and they go up and tell you really fish and things come from the Portland catches people. Big up on yourself. Yeah, Simon is here. One love.
So it's something here I'm mindful, but I've decided.
Big up yourself,
I cannot
big up Kirky.
Our minister.
Every time.
I can't speak about our minister within the script. So I speak from the heart. That is it. Minister, in 2014, when you were the opposition member for culture, you visited Shannon Park. And let me say to everybody here, we invited the then Minister of Culture from the then government who chose not to come.
Right.
Follow me? Follow me. Our dear opposition in charge of culture came, loved it, and said she would be back. In 2015, she was still opposition. And we also invited the then Minister of Culture, who again declined to come and visit us. We, the Indians, as we celebrated our arrival into this country. But who came? Our minister, our anti-party came. In 2016, I'm not sure if she was still opposition then. When did you win the election? 2016, I don't know. February. So she came back then as the Minister of Culture in 2016 to a grand ovation from all of us, and I want to see that from you tonight. Please give the minister. This minister has not stopped supporting us. From 2016, she promised in 2015, when she became minister, she would be a part of our celebration. But now, 9 years later, and she's still there. And she's promising, without us asking, that she will continue to support us. So, Minister, on behalf of all of us here, the National Council, we want to say thank you. And we have a small token. His Excellency, High Commissioner, I need your prayer. We'd like to present to you on the 180th anniversary of the landing of Indians into Jamaica. We want to honor the Minister, and she has really done a lot for us, for this community. So, ladies and gentlemen, we will present to the Minister. Nice.
Much deserved. Well deserved. Much deserved. And that look like
I just want to say to Vishnu Tolan and to the members of the National Council for Indian Culture in Jamaica. I've always said it wherever I that I really want to commend those of Indian roots or Hindu roots who are here in Jamaica who promote their culture. I'm proud of all of you who are here standing here tonight, recognizing that your roots and your culture is important and you're proud of it. I want you to put your hands together. I want you to applaud the High Commissioner who always to put your hands up and show how proud you are of your heritage and your history. I see some people who have their hands up, but once you're here, you're part of the celebration and you should be proud of it. Thank you so much.
Give me a kiss. Listen, you have to know I said.
Yeah, man, I learned a lot today, my
I would
brother.
like everybody to
Learn a lot about
welcome on stage
your history
the
today.
Ambulance group.
Appreciate
They'll be
you.
doing their
Learn a
final
lot about your history today, my
performance
brother.
before
See
they
you.
rush off
In
the
the morning,
airport. So they really came in here
Yeah, man.
just to help us
History.
celebrate today.
And
So as they're coming on stage, can you please give them a warm
invite
welcome
you today.
as they perform
I'm
their
going to spend
final
no time,
piece for
people.
tonight.
We plan for my show
And
today,
go ahead
but
and
I
play
think
it.
him do a good job. Me would hang it up my body.
We just wanted to say thank you so much to the team for coming to Jamaica, for sharing with us. We really appreciate the effort that you've made. We hope that you enjoyed being in Jamaica, that you'll come again soon. And we really appreciate everything.
Doing the right thing, people.
Thank you. We loved our 3 days here with of Bob Marley. So we start with a tribute to our dearest Bob Marley with No Woman, No Cry.
Oh, yummy.
So that was our tribute to Bob Marley, No Woman, No Cry. Next, we will present a piece from Indian Bollywood style of music. So with a lot of feelings and looking around and singing along. So you're welcome to dance along with the dancers or sing along. Choose your way of celebrating the people and the culture and the music and dance. Thank you.
you know, say, every Jamaican a dancer. We are take Chinda dancer. Chat Kirky. I sing a one up on the stage.
The final piece is a tribute to the rivers of India and rivers of Jamaica, and we play Holi together, of bringing people from all around the world together to celebrate love, compassion and freedom. Thank you. We are from Sindhur Natya Navarasa Dance Theatre. Please, we would love to thank you for your hospitality and generosity of spirit and kindness.
have to appreciate. Some years ago we got dancers. We have to make 2 people to come and dance our program. This year we are fortunate. The Night Commission brought 2 dance groups from the USA through the ICCR. Plus we have about 6-7 local dancers. This is a stage for them to actually
move on to greater heights. So we're going to bring you back the song strength. The lady who can really get it to jump. And she has not sung her best songs yet. She saved them for now. But okay, now you can jump. Uncle say you can dance.
Thank you. Yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah. Let me hear you say yeah, yeah. Woo, I love it. Let's go, DJ. Hey, hey,
Mar, That's some girls and then my sister Oriental is going to come and join me. And the Clarendon Tessa group is all queued up. And my brother Kevin Kumar is going to join me as well. Because we have to end with a bang, right? Yeah! But hear this, right? for them now. We're going to wash up your place.
Wash your cup.
We're going to wash up your place.
Hey.
Ladies and gentlemen, give her some love. It's the first time in Jamaica and she's absolutely amazing.
I love you all so much. Thank you, Jamaica.
So, Ran, what do you have for me before you go?
Run, John.
Of something, you know.
Drop something nice for me.
Run, John.
Let me do it a cappella. A cappella. For the mothers. Thank you, Mama, for the 9 months they carry me through. All the pain and suffering. No one knows us. Thank you, Mama, for the 9 months they carry me through. All the pain and suffering. No one knows us. So it's Happy Indian Arrival Day and Happy Mother's Day as well. I do the next one a cappella. Aaj Savaliya, Sasur Kharjana, Sasur Kharjana. Aaj Savaliya, Sasur Kharjana, Sasur Kharjana. Aaj Savaliya, Sasur Kharjana, Suri Kharjana.
Clarendon Lancaster group, born and bred right here in Jamaica. Kevin, come. Microphone check. Come, Kevin, let me do something. Kevin is around, bro. I'll make some noise for the future of music in Jamaica. Wait. Hold on. Kevin, I want you to sing a song that everybody here will sing with you. A foundation tune. Let me hear you. Ready?
Thank you so much for having me and sharing in this beautiful moment. It's been a joy celebrating with you, and I can't wait to do it all again next year. Until then, signing out from the Indian Festival 2025, stay blessed, stay vibrant, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace and love.